Hi, we are ACJS. We believe that the tools that are available at the professional level should be accessible to everyone, so that cricketers at every level can have the opportunity to improve. As cricket is one of the most played sports of the world, easily accessible tools will allow people to play the sport in the right spirit. Thus, we present to you Crick Decode. Crick Decode is every cricketer's personal diary, statistics generator, and performance analyzer. Now let's see things into action. When you are signed into the app, your profile information is fetched from Facebook, as you can see in the profile section within the app. Your cricket specific data is something that you will enter into your profile. By hitting the edit button at the top right corner, you will get an interface to edit your profile. After editing, you will tap the save button at the top right corner. Here you can edit your role as a player, your batting style, bowling style, and nickname. On tapping the app's icon at the top left, you can toggle the menu within the app. We shall explore each menu one by one. First, let's go into the matches menu. This is where one can create all current matches. Start by tapping on the plus sign at the top right corner. An interface to create a new match will open. Enter the data about the match into the fields like date, venue, opponent, etc. and hit the save button at the top right corner. Once the match has been created, you will get an interface to enter the details of your performance. The first tab is for your general data, where you can fill in the result of the match, and you also have a place to type your personal notes in the match review. The next tab is for your batting performance. In case you batted in this match, then hit the toggle button. You will then get the fields to enter the details of your batting performance. The next tab is for your bowling performance. In case you bowled in this match, then touch the toggle button to reveal the fields to enter the details of your bowling performance. The last tab is for your fielding performance. Here you will enter the number of catches that you took at any position on the field. If you played more than one inning, then you can choose to enter the data of the other inning. You will get similar tabs to enter the data of batting, bowling, and fielding. You will see that your newly created match now appears in the matches section. All the matches here are editable and you can come back to complete your data. To the top right of every match is the Add to History button. Once you tap this button, you will be asked for a confirmation. In case you have finished editing and entering all details of this match, you will touch Yes. Once you do this, your match is now added to your history. You can view this match in the history section. All matches that are added to history will be counted towards your career statistics and will be available for analysis. When you open a match, you can swipe through the 4 tabs to see your performance in that particular match. The career section shows your career statistics. It has 4 tabs for all facets of the game. The general tab that talks about the results of your matches, the batting tab, the bowling tab, and the fielding tab provide you with a neat summary of your entire career. In the career section, you will see a filter icon at the top right. The filter provides extensive options for you to choose which matches you wish to see in your statistics for. Choose different fields like match format, venue, opponent, etc. to filter and view your data accordingly. The analysis section lets you analyze your performance by generating career graphs. First, you need to choose the relevant graph type for your analysis. It can either be an XY plot or a pie chart. You can choose which facet of the game you wish to analyze. Here too, you can set the filter to choose which matches you wish to generate the graph for. Here is an XY plot that I generated for the number of innings I played against each of the opponents. Here is a simple pie chart which shows the ratio of the number of left-handed and right-handed wickets taken by a bowler. With Crick Decode, you can save your performance data at one place. Rest assured that all your data is secure. Easily access your data, plan your strategies on the go, track your progress, identify the problem areas, set your performance goals. Gone are the days when you used an ill-maintained diary to record your performance. Make sure you download Crick Decode from Play Store. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Google+ for interesting facts, news, and updates about cricket.